Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will configure the GM Google Map. With this component you can display any location on Google Maps. And also support the street view and place. The beautiful thing is you don't have to leave the record page. Let's begin our configuration. For that, go to an account. From gear icon, edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Choose the Detail tab, and from Component Explorer, search for GM Google Map. Drag and drop the component into the tab. For the place fields, set Billing Street, Billing City, Billing County. For latitude field, set Billing Latitude. For longitude field, set Billing Longitude. From here you can switch between place or street view. From the map view you set the default view that you want. You have the choice between place and street view. For custom label, set account place. All done, let's save our work. Thank you for watching.